Alright, this is going to be a totally unedited little bit here on Crazed Performance Repair. I'm going to talk a little off topic here and kind of go into what I can do to potentially help you. So, obviously, everybody knows what's going on. This whole COVID-19 situation. I did not want to talk about it again, but it actually affected my business a little bit. So, my sales have dropped, which I'm not concerned about. That doesn't bother me a bit. My concern is that the people that really need it are going to need a discount. So if you happen to be looking at my tool, looking into my site, you've watched me enough, you've hit the subscribe button, you're good enough to do that, whatever. But if you're seeing this video, obviously you cared to tune in. So if that's the case, be sure to shoot me a message before you buy the tool or whatever if you really truly need a discount because of this whole COVID-19 situation that's going on. If you lost your job or whatever, just let me know, hey, can I get a discount coupon code? And I will be sure to try and help out where I can. Also, come Monday, I believe I'll get it done. I don't know. We'll see how good things go. I'm going to try and put a notification on the site. But I want to make everyone aware that things are getting weird with the internet. And I feel like the internet might actually crash at some point if this thing goes on for too long, because with everybody going from working at work to having to work at home, things like schools, for instance, they have started doing online things with their students. And because of this, obviously it puts more strain on the internet, along with all the people that are working from home to try and do their job. And they're connecting to their network at work to get the information they need, and that's putting more strain across the internet. More people are streaming now than ever when they have nothing better to do. More strain on the internet. I feel like there might be a crash at some point. I've been seeing some really weird things I've never seen before, from getting logged out of things randomly to just weird slowdowns when I actually have a really good connection. And it's very bizarre, but I digress. So I just wanted to make sure I got a quick little clip out about that. Also, I do have a new tool. I've had it for roughly a month now, maybe a month and a half or two. But it's a premium lift release tool. So if you happen to be a shop that is looking for a better quality tool that has a better chance of release, or if you just happen to be a regular Joe Blow trying to release the one in your own personal truck, and you want to be able to have a better chance of that, I do offer the premium tool. It does cost a little more money, but again, if you still want the premium tool but you just want a little bit of a discount, just let me know. I'll do what I can to help the ones that I can help who feel like they could use a little bit of help. So just again, let me know. I'm trying to think, what else do I have that I'd like to know? Oh yeah, that's right. So I've been delayed. You can see my computer back here. That's my editing rig, and I actually bought a real fancy processor for it, and I had all kinds of hell with trying to upgrade the thing. I put the processor in, and it turned out the motherboard I had could not deliver enough power to that processor. I don't know, most of you probably aren't very computer literate, but for the ones that are, I'll spit it out real quick. So I have a Threadripper platform, and it's the second generation. Or first generation is what's in there now, because I had to go back to my first gen. But I bought a 2990WX, which is a 32-core thread-ripping processor. So 32 cores, 64 threads, a lot of power, 250-watt processor. And the Gigabyte motherboard I had was just the baseline motherboard, and I guess it does not support it. So I had to upgrade motherboards. I bought a better motherboard, and somehow that processor decided to take a dump. It lost 2 memory channels. Long story short, between all the different motherboards and stuff that I've had to play around with, I don't have the processor I wanted, and I'm back to my testing processor, which is just a little 12-core processor. So between working on it and everything else, I've been so busy, and on top of that, this whole virus scenario has affected me for paperwork in my business. And because of that, I've been so busy trying to take care of paperwork on the business side, paperwork on the family side because of health insurance, things like that. They've opened up a temporary open enrollment thing, and the wife and I needed to get on something. So it's become a little bit interesting there. So I've been so overwhelmed with all that other stuff. I just wanted to make sure everybody's aware that I'm not going to be posting a video that's actually car related this weekend. Obviously, this is the only video you're going to see. And then next weekend, there's a possibility I might not post a video as well. So, I don't want to push out a crummy video just to get a video out every week. I'm not going to do that. That's why I only do one video a week. I'd rather have you guys have as much quality as I can offer at the time. Obviously, I'm evolving as I go and I'm getting better as I go, but it's a learning experience, and I just want to be sure I bring you the best video I can possibly muster up from myself. So I don't think I'm going to have the time this week to really do much editing, and therefore I probably won't get a video out next week. So just wanted to make you guys aware that the ones that are avid watchers. For the rest of you, hopefully your situation, you're doing okay. Let me know in the comments how things are going for you. Just make this a little spot where you can talk about how the virus has affected you. If you want to just talk amongst each other and amongst me, I'll comment in the comments below as well. And then let me know, do you like these little updates like this? Give me a thumbs up, a thumbs down, whichever one you feel. If you think these are annoying, I obviously don't do them very often, so I guess I can't see them being annoying. But if the topic of something other than auto repair comes up from time to time, and you find that just kind of, no, don't do that, hit a thumbs down. If you like it, hit the thumbs up. I don't care which one you hit, as long as you're just being honest with me. Let me know. I want to know what the actual ratio is going to be for people who care to hear about this video or not. So do that. Leave me a comment. Let me know your thoughts. And with that, like, dislike, share, subscribe, whatever. A little off my typical video, so perhaps maybe not share. I don't know. I'm rambling. I gotta get off of here. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you on the next video. And hopefully, it'll be a real good topic. I'm gonna try and get a video out for oil pan on the GM trucks. I've been wanting to get that out for a really long time, but I'm also trying to work on some 4K videos, and that's one of my old videos, so it's a 1080p. For those of you who are interested in the higher resolution videos, I am going to start pushing more of those out. I'm just having a lot of trouble with uploading them because I don't have the speed for the upload speed. So, like I said, hope to see you on the next video. Thanks for joining me.